The Sun and Earth, the mysterious interdependence of life in the universe. If the Sun disappeared, what would happen to Earth? And if Earth ceased to exist, would the Sun even care? This seemingly familiar story holds profound secrets about life, the universe, and ourselves. Would you like to know why every ray of sunlight can decide the fate of this planet? Let's explore the complex relationship, both nurturing and conflicting, between the Sun and Earth. Could this be the mother-child story we often imagine? Stay tuned, as the next few minutes might change your perspective on the universe forever. The differences between the Sun and Earth through history. The Sun and Earth are the two most vital entities in life's journey. Yet they are so vastly different that they seem almost opposites. Imagine the Sun as a blazing lamp, illuminating and warming not only Earth but also the vast planetary system surrounding it. Meanwhile, Earth resembles a dazzling gem amidst the dark cosmos, a haven nurturing life in all its forms. The contrast between these two entities lies not only in their physical structure or positions but also in their roles and interactions within the solar system. The Sun, a G-type main sequence star, formed over 4.6 billion years ago from a cosmic cloud of gas and dust. Its immense size, about 109 times Earth's diameter, could contain approximately 1.3 million Earth-like planets inside. The Sun's core reaches temperatures of 15 million degrees Celsius, where nuclear fusion converts hydrogen into helium, releasing energy in the form of light and heat. This energy is essential for life on Earth but also poses potential dangers. Ultraviolet radiation, solar storms, and solar flares can harm Earth without the protective shield of its atmosphere. Earth, on the other hand, is a small yet extraordinary planet, formed around the same time as the Sun. It took shape through collisions and the accumulation of cosmic matter. Unlike barren planets like Mars or Venus, Earth resides in the Goldilocks zone, the perfect distance for liquid water to exist. This key factor made Earth the home of life, with an oxygen-rich atmosphere, a strong magnetic field, and a sophisticated carbon cycle. This blue planet has sustained a rich ecosystem for billions of years. However, the differences between the Sun and Earth go beyond material composition. The Sun is an inexhaustible energy source, operating independently, unaffected by any planet. Earth, by contrast, is a delicately balanced system entirely dependent on the Sun's energy. Yet, this relationship isn't always harmonious. For instance, Earth's orbital changes, known as the Milankovitch cycles, have triggered prolonged ice ages. Minor variations in solar intensity have led to mass extinction events, such as the late Permian extinction, which wiped out 95% of marine life. Historically, the Sun and Earth have witnessed significant events that altered both the cosmos and life. Galileo Galilei was the first to observe sunspots through a telescope, unveiling new insights into the Sun. Subsequent discoveries, from the impact of solar storms on Earth to the role of sunlight in photosynthesis, underscore the inseparable bond between the two entities. Simultaneously, they demonstrate that the Sun and Earth have independent journeys, a fiery star with destructive potential and a balanced planet vulnerable to even the slightest changes from its parent star. This contrast forms the foundation of a profound story about the Sun-Earth relationship, a bond both nurturing and fraught with conflict. The Sun provides energy but also poses risks. Earth receives and transforms this energy to sustain life but must also confront challenges posed by the Sun. Over billions of years, this relationship has evolved into a cosmic dance, where both entities support and regulate each other. The unique characteristics of the Sun and Earth. The Sun and Earth, pivotal entities in the solar system, differ not only in size and composition but also in nature and roles. These differences are evident not only in physical metrics but also in how they interact and influence life. First, let's discuss the Sun, the center of the solar system. It's a G2V-type star composed of approximately 74% hydrogen, 24% helium, and trace amounts of other elements. Its immense energy comes from nuclear fusion at its core, where hydrogen atoms fuse into helium, releasing massive energy as light and heat. The Sun operates like a colossal power plant, supplying continuous energy to the entire solar system. However, this dynamic nature also brings challenges. Its energy is unstable, with phenomena like sunspots, energy eruptions, and solar storms significantly impacting planets, especially Earth. Earth, on the other hand, is a small and balanced planet. Unlike the Sun, it does not generate energy but wholly relies on the Sun's energy. Earth's atmosphere, composed of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and trace greenhouse gases, serves as a natural shield that regulates temperature and filters essential sunlight for life. Additionally, Earth's strong magnetic field, generated by its molten iron core, protects the planet from cosmic rays and harmful solar radiation. These features have enabled life to flourish for billions of years, making Earth a uniquely habitable planet in the solar system. A deeper comparison reveals stark contrasts in their roles. The Sun follows macroscopic physical laws, a dynamic star unaffected by any planet. Earth, however, is a complex system, formed by intricate biological and chemical cycles. Their relationship can be seen as a delicate dance. The Sun provides energy, and Earth intelligently utilizes and transforms it to sustain life. Experts often describe this relationship as one between an infinite energy source and a planned energy consumer. According to astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson, the Sun doesn't care about life on Earth. It simply does its job, shining and burning, while life's existence is a fortunate accident. This perspective emphasizes that while Earth depends entirely on solar energy, it has learned to harness this energy wisely to sustain life. However, this relationship also presents significant challenges. Sunlight isn't always beneficial. Excessive solar radiation can cause climate shifts, melting polar ice caps, and leading to extreme weather. Conversely, diminished sunlight could plunge Earth into ice ages, threatening extinction. These complexities highlight that the Sun-Earth relationship isn't merely supportive but also fraught with risks. Physicist Brian Cox aptly stated, "The Sun leads the dance, but it's Earth that determines whether life will thrive." This statement underscores that while the Sun is crucial for providing energy, Earth's way of utilizing it ultimately decides the fate of life. Through this comparison, we recognize that the Sun and Earth, while deeply connected, are profoundly different. One serves as the powerhouse, and the other as the foundation for life. These differences clarify their roles in the solar system and demonstrate that survival hinges on a balanced, intricate relationship. The stories behind the unique relationship. The Sun isn't just the center of the solar system but also the primary source of life for Earth, influencing every aspect of existence. Its presence is crucial not only for our planet but also for the entire system of orbiting celestial bodies. However, its role is far from simple, encompassing layers of meaning and fascinating stories. Within the solar system, the Sun acts as a massive magnet, keeping planets in orbit. Its gravitational pull provides the stability necessary for planets, including Earth, to maintain their positions. Without the Sun, the entire planetary system would collapse, and Earth would drift into the cold, lifeless expanse of space where life cannot survive. On Earth, the Sun's role becomes even more evident. Sunlight drives global climate and weather, from the water cycle to biological processes within ecosystems. Thanks to sunlight, plants perform photosynthesis, producing oxygen and forming the foundation of Earth's food chain. Even minor fluctuations in the Sun's activity can have profound effects, triggering ice ages or prolonged warm periods. One striking example of the Sun's influence is the Carrington event of 1859, the strongest recorded solar storm. It caused spectacular auroras worldwide and disrupted telegraph systems. If a similar event occurred today, given humanity's reliance on technology, the consequences would be catastrophic, from global power outages to disrupted satellite communications and telecommunications. The Sun's role extends beyond the physical to shaping human culture and consciousness. Ancient civilizations, such as the Egyptians with their sun god Ra, the Inca with Inti, and the Japanese with Amaterasu, revered the Sun as a symbol of life and supreme power. Even in the modern era, research on the Sun continues to unlock new frontiers, from harnessing solar energy to understanding cosmic phenomena. However, the Sun's influence isn't always beneficial. Excessive solar activity can lead to rising temperatures, melting polar ice caps, and rising sea levels. Conversely, reduced solar activity can plunge Earth into prolonged cold spells. These stories remind us that the Sun-Earth relationship involves both support and significant challenges. Despite its central role, the Sun has limitations. Scientists estimate that the Sun has consumed about half its hydrogen fuel and will enter its red giant phase in roughly 5 billion years. At that point, it will expand, engulfing nearby planets, including Earth. This stark reminder underscores the finite nature of even the most powerful energy sources. The Sun's evolution offers a profound lesson about inevitable change. Life on Earth currently depends entirely on this energy source, but failing to prepare for the future could spell extinction for humanity. The takeaway isn't merely about finding alternative energy sources but learning to use existing resources wisely and sustainably. Earth, though a remarkable planet capable of sustaining life, is incredibly fragile against even the slightest disturbances. Climate change, resource depletion, and environmental pollution highlight that our planet is not an invincible system. One stark example is humanity's disruption of Earth's natural carbon cycle. Industrial activities and fossil fuel consumption have increased greenhouse gases, causing global warming. This isn't just an environmental issue but a profound lesson in the interconnectedness of all factors within ecosystems. Disrupting this balance endangers not only the environment but humanity itself. Earth's greatest vulnerability lies in its total dependence on the Sun. If the Sun ceased to function, even temporarily, Earth's temperature would plummet, and ecosystems would collapse. This serves as a reminder that Earth cannot sustain life independently and relies heavily on external factors, most notably the Sun. The relationship between the Sun and Earth is not a one-way dependency but a complex cycle where both contribute to the sustenance of life. Yet, this interdependence also highlights the fragility and transience of life. It urges us to change our perspective, shifting from viewing Earth as an infinite resource to recognizing it as a small part of the larger cosmic picture. Another critical lesson from the Sun and Earth is the importance of sustainability. Humanity faces crucial choices. Either continue depleting resources recklessly or learn to live harmoniously with nature. Embracing solar energy, protecting the environment, and reducing reliance on fossil fuels are essential steps to ensuring a better future for subsequent generations. While significant scientific advancements have been made, humanity still cannot fully control the effects of solar or terrestrial phenomena. Events like solar storms or global climate change remain beyond immediate human control. This raises a fundamental question: can humanity continue thriving amidst such uncertainties? Or must we adapt and change radically? The greatest takeaway from these limitations is humility. The Sun and Earth existed billions of years before humanity and will continue long after we are gone. Recognizing this, we can learn to live more harmoniously, not only with our planet but also with the universe as a whole. The Sun's and Earth's limitations are not just scientific issues but profound narratives about life, balance, and sustainability. From the finite energy of the Sun to the fragility of Earth's ecosystems, we see that every human action has long-lasting effects on this intricate relationship. By valuing and protecting what we have, we ensure not only humanity's survival but also leave a proud legacy for future generations. To summarize, the Sun isn't just the source of life but also the director of all developments on Earth and within the solar system. The relationship between the Sun and Earth isn't merely one of dependence but a complex, meaningful interaction worthy of deep reflection. The Sun and Earth, two entities simultaneously bonded and opposed within the vast universe. So, what do you think? Are they truly a mother and child, as we often imagine, or just two entities coincidentally encountering each other on this cosmic journey? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if there's another topic you'd like to explore, don't hesitate to suggest it. Thank you for watching until the end of the video, and see you in the next story.